Sorry, let me smile.
Us. We'd love to talk to all of you and understand how this collaboration came to be, your thoughts behind it, and where you see this going in the future. So, Mr. Kotak.
Thank you to all the lovely ladies next to me. We started off, this is the fourth edition, yeah, so it was exactly 4 years back when we did the first ever plus size fashion show. I guess this is the best ever for us. So compliments to Urina. It was really energizing and really powerful. The idea is very, very simple. Democratization of fashion. That's what we believe in. Its size is just a number, but style is not limited to individuals and body types, and that's largely about it. And that's where the birth of the brand happened, and it happened way back. So it's a 15-year-old brand, and it has taken a journey. We have amazing loyalty of customers, and now we will see in some time this collection also hitting the stores. Yeah. So I'm sure our customers are looking forward to it, and that's largely about it. Thank you.
Thank you. Reena, if we can talk to you a little bit about the collection, and you can give us our thoughts and what inspired you to come up with this.
So the story which we saw today, it's a journey basically based on what we say is perceptions. So, and how perception will alter the size. It's really not anything else. And we tried to bring in what is the fashion, which is contemporary, and bring out a forecast of the trends for the future for the plus size people, just the same way as they would be for a non-plus size. And the essential thing is that there should be plus size inclusion in all fashion weeks and fashion shows, so that their own trends and forecasts are also equally represented. Because as consumers, trends are worn by everyone, and they are to be followed for everyone. So there is a lot of development we had done, from cording to tasseling to the use of organic fabrics like linens with cloth knots and stitches, to very holistic, because we try to follow one of the quotes as "my body is a temple." It was actually by Jennifer Lopez, and I really enjoyed it because it's, it's based on that. We followed what I call holistic prints. We put it in the trend patterns. There are a lot from the Taj Mahal and the archives. And then there is a fade-out kind of a look. There was a patchwork we had used, lots of ruffles, wrap-over dresses. The fashion is the same, primarily. I can show this line to my buyers all over the world as my next collection. And this is, I chose to give it on plus-size models over using size 8s or sample sizes. And what was my eye-opener, and I think that should stay with every one of us, whoever hears this, is to see their confidence and how it encouraged even a person like me, because I feel there's many a times I'm not confident. And being with all of you today, I was really free. I enjoyed that. We were dancing backstage because we were relaxed. There was no stress about suck your stomach in, nothing, so it was really fun. So I'll leave you with Barbies. And thank you for doing it, both of you, and thank you all for giving me the chance. Thank you, IMG.
Thank you.
You guys also killed yourself for this. So thanks to the team of all which worked behind the scenes with me. So I'm really appreciative of that.
No, I don't think anyone could say it better, because, when you say fashion is literally meant for you to wear your heart on your sleeve. Yeah. And when you can do that through the clothes you wear, there's nothing better. Irrespective of who you are a different size at every point in your life. And to be able to embrace who you are at that point in time and to have clothes that allow you to do that is a very powerful statement. So if you can talk to us about that.
Well, first of all, I really, really want to thank Sir and Reena for this initiative, because this gives all of us a lot of encouragement, because we all have gone through a journey, and there have hardly been any brands who've ever supported plus-size women. There are many of them here, Delnaz herself, who knows me when I used to be very thin, but, because of some health issues, it's been very difficult for me to lose weight.
Just interrupting. We not only support plus-size women, but also plus-size men.
Yes, sorry, plus-size men as well. Thank you. That's excellent, actually. But beginning from my own journey, I know everything I have faced and how difficult it was to, get any sizes or every designer just wanted to cater to, you know, a sample size. And I was very pleased to hear that Reena has collaborated with all. And that gives us also a lot of encouragement, a lot of confidence. Thank you so much.
You were all fantastic.
Thank
You
you.
should be on runways more often, actually.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody, and thank you first and foremost, Mr. Kotak. Hetal Kotak. I thought Hetal was a girl, but never mind.
There is a hater who can. It's gender.
Yeah.
It's a gender equality.
So thank you so much for doing this for all of us. And Reena, your clothes were wonderful. I love this dress. Thank you so much. And, half your battle is won if you're happy with your clothes. I always feel that the confidence comes with, if you're happy with what you're wearing, fat or thin does not really matter. And like you said, sizes change. I was always fat. So, and I never bothered about it. So whatever I got in TV or in films or on theater was because I was slightly plump. And I take that not as my weakness, but as my strength. And people like you have redefined, this whole thing about when they say age does not matter and size does not matter. I thank people like you to come up like this. And Reena, thank you, because more designers are going to come up and make clothes for people like us. You see? So it's so wonderful that you guys have taken this step, and we're very happy to be a part of the show today. And this is my first time at Lakme Fashion Week, the first time as a showstopper, and I am feeling absolutely proud and happy about it. So thank you, each one of you, because I never imagined with this weight, fat people ke role to kar liye, roly-poly roles, but to be walking on the ramp, you always need a size 0, but 0 ke zamane gaye, I think, I think we should ask Shah Rukh about it.
Just to continue, the sizing of our brand, actually, Delnaz starts from size 0. We don't put 34, 36, 38, 18, 20, nothing. So in women, the sizing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have any sizing which is 34, 36. And in men, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about it.
Wonderful. Do you have a favorite piece from the collection, Reena?
I like both what they're wearing, because they
Love
were the
it.
two parts of the story we showed. One was the organic, but speak so loudly from screaming in factories and getting these clothes done over machines. So I think they'll all be able to hear me. I don't know. For me, the challenge was the menswear, which I took their help. And we knitted also fabrics in hosiery belt to match. We've also done clothing. The prints were done in another region, south of Mumbai. And then the atelier was in Mumbai, Delhi, in Gurgaon and Delhi. And they were shuttling all over. So we have computer embroideries, we had shifleys, we brought in lace. We brought in a lot of these double-breasted look where the buttons are very in. And there is a sense of tailoring in the clothing. Because tailoring is, staying in fashion since the past few seasons. So we put it in the plus story also. A lot of tailored bodies and the soft flowies. Because mostly one imagine that a person is plus, so you just cover them up.
Yeah.
So we didn't do that. The trend is the same, whether it's a plus or a non-plus.
Absolutely. You have to feel confident in the clothes you wear, right? And both of you look really confident. And I'm so glad you pointed out also, as did you, that there's a men's collection, and the fact that men and women, body types, irrespective of gender, need to be represented in fashion, and people need to be made to feel confident irrespective of who you are, what you are, and what size you are. Right? Thank you. Do either one of you, other than the pieces you're wearing, did you see anything else here and there while you were trying stuff
I
on?
loved one maroon thing, Reena, with the buttons. There was this girl
That's
who was
really nice.
with short hair, that whole thing which was shot with
pink,
its purpley pink.
like a trenchy jacket.
I loved that.
That's
I loved
poplin
it.
lycra.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
thick poplin lycra. Sorry,
Yeah.
technique. No shibli here.
Anything that works for the customer.
Do you have a favorite piece?
I love my own piece. It's beautiful, and I was telling her.
Yeah, I love this.
Can you imagine if I'd swapped you around? What would you have done to me?
No, I wouldn't mind either, because even hers, I kept telling her it's so boho, it's so lovely. And as I said, it's a very happy day for us, because there's been so much of, pent up emotions even for us. And so many people, you know, always demean plus size people. It's not in our hands always, you know. And instead of, you know, making us feel more confident, they used to demoralize. So today it's really, you know, making us feel so good because it's going to encourage everybody out there.